Are you ready to elevate your design game? With Canva, you can create a catching posters in just a few clicks. Whether you are promoting an event, sharing a message, or showcasing your art, Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to bring your vision to life. Dive in and start impressing your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to make a poster in Canva. So first of all I have to do is open browser and dive into canva.com. So here we have the home page as you can see. So posters are a powerful way to communicate your ideas, promote events, and capture attention. With Canva, creating stunning posters has never been easier. Its intuitive design tools and fast library of templates and graphics allow you to unleash your creativity without needing graphic design experience. Whether you are crafting a vibrant event flyer, or an inspirational quote poster, Canva empowers you to make your vision a reality. Start designing today and watch your ideas come to life in a visually captivating way. So all I have to do is just sign up, or you can log in to find your account. So this is my account. I will just click over home and I will find the home page as you can see. So here we have it. So the first thing that you have to do is just go to search your content and Canva, and then you search for poster. So like that, here we have it. So we have here posters, and here we have it. We have it 20,000 of Canva templates. So I will click over see all like that, and let's wait for it. Here we have also, if you want to click over create a design and you search for posters, also we have here other options like templates, project, home, brand, and we have here apps also, and here we have the trash. So right now I will just click over the one I want. For example, here we have got blank, so I will select for example this one. But before, let's select also the filter that I want. For example, here we have all categories, and if we want poster for business, you click over business and you choose if it's talks, presentations, whiteboard, business card, flyers, prototypes, and we have mind maps, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, and we have here voices, proposals, reports. Then we have here social media such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and we have also here education, subject, query, search type. Then we have here video, marketing also. So you choose the one you want, for example print products also, and the last one which is card and invitation. Then we have here format, so we have here portrait, and this is how it looks. You can just select the one you want. You have here also view more if you want more than this one for the format. Then we have style also, language, theme, and we have here feature, grade, subject, topic, and the price. For the price I will select here the free one and I will click over apply. Once you click over this one, you will just find your niche. So for example, I will select this one and I will click over customize this template. So once you do that, you will find other page which is this one. So the first thing that I will do is just zoom like that. So as you can see, so here we have other things like if you want to duplicate the page like that, and if you want to create a page or add a page I mean, with the same background. And we have if you want to lock page, here we have if you want to hide page, move down, and we have also other things like background color, comment, animate, position, and we have here copy style. So here we have endo and we have here redo. Then we have also here if you want the thumbnail view like that, or if you want the grid view, as you can see here we have it. Then we have here present full screen. Then we have also here other options like as canvas. As you can see, you can just ask something and you will get your answer. Then we have here design. So for example, say you choose templates. If you don't like this one, I will just add it like that. I will just add all this template and I will put this one for example. And here we have if you want elements also, so you select also the niche that you want. For example, here we have frame, or let's say the type of line, arrow, circle. Then we have here border, square, heart, rectangle, paper table, Halloween, flowers, stars, flowers, sand, cloud shape, and we have here also shapes, blue, poke, water, grace, logo, food, and other things. So for example, I will select this one, I like it, or this one also, and you will select the graphic that you want. Then here we have also a image generator, stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, and you choose the one you want. Then we have here if you want to add a text, so you click over add a text box like that, and you click and you write whatever you want. So you write here magic write if you want. For example, you have continue writing, shorten, rewrite, more fun, up more formal, sprinkle, fairy dust, and we have it John's voice. And if you want to add a comment here, and also here we have an option like if you want to duplicate, if you want to delete, and more options like copy style, paste, duplicate, delete, layer, align to page, and show time and here, comment, link, log, alternative text, and info. Then if you want to add a heading here, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Then here we have the print. For example, if you want logos, colors, fonts, and print voice. Here we have photos, graphics, icons also, and here we have the option for uploads. For example, if you want to upload file, you can just click over it and you will find this and you upload whatever you want. Then we have here if you want to record yourself also, so like that. So let's wait for it. And also if you want to upload videos or upload audio, as you can see, and I will show you how you can record yourself. Also we have here the option to draw, and you will just get it. So here we have how you can record. You just click over here and we have 3 2 1 and you get started recording like that. So here we have, if you want done, if you finished, you have to click over done, and you can just save and exit, or you can delete it and exit the studio. So here we have it, and here we have the draw. I will select, for example, the color that I want. For example, I will select the white one. The white, for example, like this one, as you can see. And then we have eraser, and also here we have settings like if you want to wait, we have this one or this one, we have this one, and here we have it. So Canva is your go-to platform for creating catching posters that make a lasting impact. With its user-friendly features and endless design possibilities, you can easily turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Don't miss the chance to express your creativity and connect with your audience. Start exploring Canva today and transform your concepts into beautiful, engaging posters. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been helpful, and see you again in the next video.